The COVID-19 pandemic is one of the biggest challenges we have faced.
Our way of life has been turned upside down.
The virus doesn't care who you are. It's harmed people's families,
shut down businesses,
and cost people their livelihoods.
Enough.
The Franklia Automotive family has been a part of this community for over 50 years.
Our people are hurting.
It's time for us to help.
Our organization is donating $100,000
In vehicle service and repairs
To anyone who was hurt by this crisis.
The Frank Leta family is eager to help.
We're proud to offer safe, reliable transportation to the most vulnerable.
We can do the work. We can do the work.
and we're glad to do our part.
To lift up the St. Louis community.
In this time of need,
In this time of need,
In this time of need.
The Frank Leta family wants you to know
we are all in this
Together.
and together we'll overcome.